What a fabulous example just arrived in. Toyota AYGO X. This is the automatic one, finished in pure white with the black accents. Very trendy cars with the black and white. Beautiful alloy wheels. This one's done just 5,581 miles. It's 24 plate, 2024 on a 24 plate. It is gorgeous. Great value for money. Great automatic, very spacious for the size of the car. It's the 1 litre, 70 brake horsepower. Let's take it all the way around it. Great spec on it. Reverse camera, alloys, cruise control, lane assist. It's got the privacy glass as well. AYGO X, there we go. Nice deep boot. Split folding rear seat, 50/50. It's got the protector there. Toolkit all there complete. All the loading area. So it's in black metallic. All undamaged. Lovely contrast to it with the black and white. All the alloys are in fabulous condition. I can't see any damage on any of those. I've had a good look round. And of course, with 5,000 miles, all the tyres are like brand new. You've got the black protectors across the bottom of the doors as well. All the black wheel arch extensions again. Near side front wheel, again all in perfect condition. We've not had any of these refurbished. This is how the car came in. Again, all across the front. Lovely and clean. Of course, at 5,000 miles, no stone chips, no marks, no dents, no scratches. Beautiful all round. Driver's wheel, again, unmarked. All down the sides, no little nasty dings anywhere. The final wheel and tyre, again, as new. It's got the black privacy glass as I mentioned before. Opening quarter lights on these. Again, all the trim in great condition. Non-smoker's car, no nasty smells. All the headlining, everything, all in perfect condition. Electric windows, electric mirrors. It's actually got mats over mats, so protection all the way through there. All the seats, great condition. 5581, there you go, the mileage. All the trims, the dashboard, great condition again, not been abused. Nice big clear screen there. Climate control. Nice big menu there. I love that. Very clear.
They all fought tough and nail for equal pay for women.
Great sound system of the vehicle. Touch screen all on there, and of course Apple CarPlay connected to your phone. All the vehicle details there. Of course, if you're on Bluetooth, connect the device. All very straightforward. USB, FM, all control from there. Multifunction steering wheel. There's so many different controls on here, but all very straightforward. And again, that controls a menu on there as well. So various messages and screens, whatever you want to see on there. Of course, Bluetooth phone, as I just mentioned. Cruise control, speed limiter, lane assist, all controlled by the various buttons all on here, and the radio control volumes and stations on there. So a great little car, fabulous spec, automatic, 5,500 miles, 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. We welcome part exchange. Check out our great finance offers with HP or PCP deal on our website. Very, very quick and easy to do that. Alternatively, you can always give us a call and we'll work out the payments for you over the phone. Remember, if you fancy this at 2 o'clock in the morning, hit that reserve button before somebody else beats you to it. And remember our full money back guarantee. If you feel the car is not as described, we'll refund the deposit and no questions asked. Simple, easy, hassle-free way to buy your used car. Click and reserve, come and collect from our showrooms in Stoke-on-Trent. Alternatively, we can deliver this to your doorstep. Simple and easy as that, really. Additional costs do apply. Ask us for full and further details how that operates. Get the words out. So there we have it. A great example. 5,581 miles. Specialist Cars, established since 1997, 28 years in business. Multi-award winning dealer. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Read about our raving fans reviews and see customers come back to us time and time again over generations. Our phone number is 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles at 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.